Video series Fascination of Groups. Certain concepts in groups are highlighted with fascinating examples. Now, concepts or abstract ideas can be easily understood via concrete examples. Now, for example, to know about the concept of a number, a kid may be trained to know about the number 1 by placing a balloon in front of it. To know about the number 2, that is the concept here, if we keep 2 balloons and by counting it as 1, 2, it can know about the concept of the number 2. To know about the number 3, naturally 3 balloons are to be kept and it can be counted as 1, 2, 3, and the child will know about that number 3, that concept number 3. So thus, to know about the numbers, match up a number with some objects. Now we have another example. Suppose a cat is trained that by hearing one clap that it goes near the milk plate, and by hearing 2 claps it goes near the biscuit plate, and by hearing 3 claps it goes near the milk plate, and by hearing 4 claps it goes near the biscuit plate. Suppose the child watches this. The question could be asked to the child at the 20th clap where the cat will be. So the answer by looking at this will be given. Actually, it is near the biscuit plate. So in this way, the concept of odd and even number can be taught, and even if you ask that at the 27th clap where the cat will be, the answer will at once come that it will be near the milk plate. So in that way, even an odd numbers can be taught. And if we have one more example, that if we have in a bowl of water both potato and tomato, we can see that the potato sinks whereas the tomato floats. So from that it is seen that dense things sink. The concept that's learned from this is a thing will sink if its density is greater than the density of the fluid. From number theory, we have NCR is divisible by n if n is a prime number. So to understand this concept, you have got rigorous proof for this, but to understand the concept given here, we can give values. Say suppose n is 6 and r is 4, then does 6 divide 64? Now if you compute 64, which is same as 62, is 15, obviously 6 does not divide that. Now suppose we have n to be 7 and r to be 4, then if we compute 7c4, which is same as 7c3, is 35, and our 7 divides 35. But by just performing n as even and n as odd, we cannot just come to a conclusion that for odd numbers this one holds. Because when we consider 9c2, 9 is an odd number. When we consider 9c2, it is 36. Your 9 divides 36. But 9c3, when you consider it, is 84, and your 9 does not divide that. So this this example, when we carry out with various values of n and r, then you can come to a conclusion that NCR is divisible by n if n is a prime number. So this is to understand the concept, and this is not the proof of this statement. So the concepts can be easily understood with the example, and so we have these two ideas, that is abstract ideas and actual ideas. These two are indispensable in developing a theory in any subject. The reason is we have suppose we have an example from that, abstract ideas can be understood, and once the abstract ideas are understood, then the further examples can be given, and by studying those examples we can have some more abstract ideas, and for that again examples can be given, and the process continues. So these two are indispensable in developing a theory in any subject. So concepts are building blocks of any theory, Taking an actual or concrete idea to abstract idea is an interesting art of philosophers, and it enables them to put forth popular theories too.